In this video, I'll show you how to close a currency balance in Wise. Step 1. Check your currency balance. Open your Wise account and navigate to the Balances section. Select the currency balance you want to close. Step 2. Withdraw all money. Make sure your balance is empty. Send or convert all money from that currency to an external bank account or another currency balance within Wise. Step 3. Confirm balance is zero. Verify that your currency balance shows zero before proceeding to close it. Step 4. Close the currency balance. Click the three dots next to the currency balance and select Close Balance. Then confirm your choice. Step 5. Understand impact on direct debits. Closing a balance cancels any direct debits set up on that currency balance. Contact companies to update your payment details to avoid missed payments or fees. Now I have some tips for you. You cannot close a balance that still has funds or pending transfers. You need to make sure to cancel subscriptions or update payment info with payees using that balance. Check for any incoming payments before closing the balance to avoid issues. And that's how you close your balance on Wise. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.